The G, I'm going to essentially want to be drawing a circle. Something like that. We want to get to here, face that way, draw a circle from one angle. Let's first see what the circle does. So I want to draw 3/4 of a circle. A circle. 3/4 of a circle is 270 degrees. Let's make the radius 50. We could make a G out of that. Just have to rotate first. Let's try with a positive radius. If we start here, we're gonna go up. We want to really get to the beginning of the G, so we're gonna go, let's say, up 80 over 80. Then we can set our angle to whatever. Let's go up 80 and over 80, so pen up. I'm gonna go forward 80, turn left 90, forward 80, or I'm facing straight up. Okay, let's see what, and then I draw my circle. I'm facing straight up. Let me put a T right before the G, and maybe a T after it, just before it. I want to rotate this, let's say 90 degrees to the left before I start drawing my circle. Let's see what that does. That's good. 90 degrees was too far though. Let's try 45 degrees. That's better. Maybe I want a little bit more of a circle, so instead of 270, let's go to 300 degrees. I like that. Let's move inward from this point. Let's turn. What's our heading right now? Let's get rid of that T. The heading, we're at 75 degrees right now. If we go this way, if we rotate 75 degrees this way to the right, then we're going to be horizontal. Right 75. Let's go forward 10 pixels. Then left 90. And forward 20. Left 90. And then forward, let's say 40. Then left 90. Forward 20. Then left 90. Forward 20. Let's see what that looks like. Then we want this to be about 20 thickness. The way it is right now, it's not going to be quite that. Instead of coming back 20, let's only come back 10. Forward 10. We want to begin our circle going back the way we came. We need to rotate. Our heading here was 75. We're pointed up that way. So we want to be down 90 plus 15, 115. We're going to be turning right 115. And then we're going to circle again for 300 degrees with a radius not of 50 of, we want it to have a diameter that's going to be 20 centimeters shorter. Let's try a radius 30, and I think we're going to be going negative this time. I think we're going the opposite direction. But let's try it with a positive one. If we're wrong, we'll see. That's the beauty of programming. You get to try things out. Yep, that's the wrong way. Let's rotate the other way. Put a negative in front of that. We went left 90 and forward 20. So let's get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. Left 90 and forward 20. Let's see what that looks like. Didn't quite make it. Let's turn right 90 and forward. It's a certain number, maybe 10. Right 90 and forward. Let's try 10. Left 90. Let's find out where we are. If you remember, it was position. Let's get our position here. Print the position, and then we'll print the position at the end. And we'll see what the difference is. We're not quite at the right spot. We need to move 19.03 and 81.25. So we need to move up 1.25. I'm going to do a pen up and move that way just to see what it looks like. This thing is in the way. Let's do a pen up. Let's figure out what our heading is as well. Heading. Just to get that out of the way so we can see if there's any problems. We went too far across here. Maybe we can just change the angle a little bit. backwards. Instead of coming 90 degrees, we can go a little bit more than 90, maybe 92 degrees. Let's see if that's too far. A little bit too far, so let's say 91 degrees. That looks good. I'm here ending. We started at 80 and I need to move over 20 more to get to here and then 20 more. Pen up. What's our heading in our position? We're at 132 degrees. I want to go right 132 degrees. We started off at negative 300. Let's copy this information. I'm just going to put that as a little hashtag. I want to go right 132 degrees. We're at 219 and we started off at negative 300. That means we've moved over 80. We have that bit of the G that sticks out. Let's say that sticks out 20. We want to move forward from this point 40 pixels. Forward 40. Then we're going to go down, turn right 90. We're going to go forward 80.5. 80.49. And then we're going to turn left 90. And then we're done. Do 2 G's in a row and see if they're at the same height. Now we have everything we need to spell Trafalgar.